The first step in WAN configuration is to gather and prepare the needed materials or devices such as the computer, router, Ethernet cable, and modem or ISP. Plan also where you will place your router. Place it in the central location of your home. If not, you can mount or place it on an area where the most of the internet users stay most of the time. Reset the router. Resetting the router is important to revert back to its factory settings. Click the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds using a tip of a pen and wait until all the lights are on. Next is establish right connection. Make sure that the internet service provider or ISP network cable is connected to the WAN port of the router. Next, connect the computer and the router using the Ethernet cable. Lastly, connect the power cable to the router. Identify router's IP address. To identify your router's IP address, you can see the manufacturer's manual or use the command line. Click the Windows search bar, type command prompt or CMD, type ipconfig, click enter, and then the router's IP is by the default gateway. So my router's IP address is 192.168.0.1. Next is to open router's web management page. Go to the computer's web browser and type the default IP address of your router. The IP address of my router is 192.168.0.1. Usually, the page will look for the username and password, but in my case, I access the web management page immediately. The default username and password of the router is admin and admin. In the router's web management page, you can see different network information like the status, internet settings, wireless settings, and etc. To change the Wi-Fi name, go to wireless settings and change the Wi-Fi name. For example, I will change it into Mirhan Residence. Change also the Wi-Fi password that can also be seen in the wireless settings. The password must contain more than 8 characters with upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, select OK to apply changes.